I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware compatibility and gathering adapters. This saves time. First, power the projector and switch to the correct input. Make sure your Android is unlocked and on the same Wi-Fi if using wireless. Once done, connect a USB-C to HDMI adapter or plug the wireless dongle into the projector. If using wired MHL, use the adapter that matches your device. These initial steps set a stable foundation, so the transmission will be reliable and low latency. Now make the actual connection and configure display options. On Android, open Settings and tap Display, then Cast or Screen Mirroring. Select the projector or dongle from the device list and accept pairing prompts. For wired HDMI, plug in the adapter then the cable. Your phone should detect external display. Grant permission if asked. Make sure resolution matches the projector. Choose 720p for stable playback or 1080p for sharper images. Also check orientation and aspect ratio so content fills the screen correctly. Finish by verifying audio and visual settings so your presentation looks and sounds right. Choose whether audio plays through the projector or an external speaker and set volume levels. If nothing appears, toggle the projector input, reboot both devices, and reset cables or adapters. This fixes most handshake issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent display continues, update the projector firmware and your phone system. Outdated drivers often cause flicker or drops, and updating usually restores a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.